Let's take a look at setting the Everlast Power MTS 221 for stick welding. Two modes of stick welding in this menu. Standard, which is any electrode other than 6010, and this machine has a 6010 mode. Today, let's try to run a 3/32 7018 at between 85 and 90 amps. We'll do a test run and see what it does. We'll start out with 85 as a baseline. On these menus, we don't have to worry about anything else that's going on over here. Once we have it set in stick, really the only thing we need to pay attention to is the amperage. For stick welding, I want to hook my ground clamp into the negative side. I want to hook the electrode holder into the positive side for DC EP, electrode positive. This actually ran really nice soft arc, wetted in nicely. I was able to hold a short arc without it going out. I'm in the flat position on 85 amps, and I'm pretty comfortable with that right there. That's a pretty sweet running bead. Beyond the standard stick mode on the Everlast 221, we have additional menu items up here. Percent of arc force from 0 to 100. We also have hot start from 0 to 100. We have a hot start time that we can dial in from 0 to 2 seconds. So let's run a test weld with 332 6013, 0.2 hot start time, arc force at 20, hot start at 50. Let's do another test weld. 85 amps, 3/32 6013.
Action.
Again, nice soft arc, good arc features, slag's peeling up by itself, very clean, very good bead profile. So there's an example of standard stick welding on the Everlast 221. If you have further questions, please visit everlastwelders.com.